real estate data set, and today let me take kind of some educational related data set actually. Let me just try to explain. Good. So this theory I can cover, and kindly please focus on this one. And on x-axis I am taking number of hours studied. Did you remember during math session, how long time you are studying, you will get the same score. I mean to say, getting score depend upon the hours of study. Tell me, sir, getting score depends on x-axis I am taking hours of study, and y-axis I am taking what exactly, sir, the score. What exactly I am taking? Score actually. Then is it possible? Yeah, we can create kind of some regression model, and we can give number of hours actually. Then automatically it can predict what exactly, sir, score. We'll see that one, right? Let's find the relation between marks and number of study hours, and we wanted to find out the marks for the given number of study hours to the student. Yeah, we are doing this one, and we are going to plot hours on x-axis and getting score on what exactly, man? Y-axis. We already know the formula. Y equals to mx plus b, and yeah, good. X means what exactly? Input. Y means prediction output actually. M means coefficient. B means intercept. We'll see. These are all. No theory. Attack, direct example actually. Very good. So seems to be, let me open the data set. Get ready, sir. So fine then. If theory I know, you may get a sleep. Let's delete everything, all data sets. Let's delete this here. Anything pending from my side? Any PDF? Asal మీరు follow అవుతున్నారా? You are in Google Classroom, I guess, right? PDF, running notes. Next one, data set. If anything is missing, do let me know. Images ekkadana miss అయితే I'm sorry. Why? Because follow the session. Print. Daniel, what is the topic? The topic name is a simple linear regression. What is the topic name? Simple linear regression. Yeah. Chappan sir, what is the step number 1? Chappan? Importing the library. Step number 1. So step number what exactly? Step number 1. Importing the libraries. Importing what exactly? Libraries actually. Okay? Yeah. What library, man? Import pandas as PD. Okay. Let us just import this. Can I run this one? Either this code is valid or not, I need to cross validate. Come on, Sarji. This example is seriously awesome. Good, Sarji. What is the step number 2? Please, everybody, please. What is the step number 2? Loading the data set. Loading what, Sarji? Data set. df equals to pd.read underscore csv and Chappan, yeah. What is the data set name? Go back and machine learning. All files. Students course. Copy this. Paste here. .csv, right? Data set loaded. Data set what, Sarji? Loaded actually. Nice. Very good, man. Do you wanted to see the data set? Let's open the data set. Spend some time. Good. This one is the data set what we have. Right? How many columns, sir? 2 columns. What is the first one? Hours. Next one, scores. And the first one will be 2.5 hours. And he may get a 21 score. 5.1 hours, 47. 3.2, 27. Don't expect ascending order. Don't expect what, man? Think like a randomly we collected actually. And we'll see. First, always see. Do you want to find out the relationship actually? Plot the data. What we need to do, sir? Plot the data. Let me just try to take this one. And yeah, good. So can I take this one? And here I can just try to specify step 1 and 2. Chappan Sarji, step what exactly? 1 and 2. Yeah, we are good to go. I hope you already know what do you mean by step number 1 and 2. Chaptara, what is the step number 1? Importing the library. Step number 2. That's it actually. Now let me define one okay. Let's apply small EDA. Let's apply small what, man? EDA. EDA in the sense explanatory data analysis. Good. To apply EDA, you can call head method. Yeah, I wanted to know top 5 rows actually. Yeah, very good. This is really good practice. The next one, you already know these are all. Then can I call tail actually? Yes, you can call tail. While calling method name should be match. Otherwise, what error? సో ప్రీవియస్లీ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎర్రర్స్ లో అట్రిబ్యూట్ ఎర్రర్ కూడా హైలైట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఎర్రర్? అట్రిబ్యూట్ ఎర్రర్. If method name so wrong, either method name or attribute. Attribute are we using? Yeah, we are using attribute also. Either method name or what exactly? Attribute name wrong. Then we will get what exactly? Attribute error. So please check either method name or attribute name. Man, this is important. Why? Because please be silent. Tomorrow, whenever you are going for interview, suddenly they may ask like, when you are working on scenario, let us know some common errors. Then continuously you need to tell, right, what are errors I covered actually. Module not found error, file not found error, permission error, attribute. This is for this scenario. Previously, we already listed out the error names actually. I mean, from that list only we are going to get. Are you clear, Sachi? Please, you should have. ఎక్కడెక్కడ మిస్టేక్స్ జరుగుతాయి, వాటికి సొల్యూషన్ కూడా మీరు చెప్పగలిగేటట్టు ఉండాలి. ఓకే, వేర్ ఆర్ వి? సో టైల్ మెథడ్. If method name is wrong, we'll get a attribute error. The next one, I wanted to know name of the columns. I wanted to display name of the columns. Columns attribute. What attributes are? Got hours and scores actually. Hours and what exactly mean? Scores. Daniel, the next one, I wanted to know number of rows and columns actually. Shape attribute like this. Do you have any data set actually? First apply pandas, man. First apply what, sir? Pandas actually. Indirectly you are gaining the knowledge if you apply pandas actually. 25 rows and 2 columns actually. I wanted to access only 25. Please wake up actually. I wanted to access only 2. Can I apply here 2? What error? Very good. What error? Why index error? Simple. In tuple, we have only 2 values. 0th index and first index. How dare you to access second index actually? How can you access, right? So then you will get a index error. What error, sir? Index error. We are good to go. This is really very good. But at last, always you have to close the pandas discussion by calling info method. What method? Info is a seriously super method actually, right? df.info. df. What exactly mean info? Can I apply verbose actually? Did I cover yesterday? Yeah. So verbose. I don't want high level. I need one basic level, right? So what is the data type name? Data frame. So this object data type is data frame. And the range index started total 25 actually, started from 0 till what is the last one? 24. Good. The next one, columns. I mean to say 2 columns and 2 entries actually. What is the first one? Hours to score. D types. Float. We have one float value, we have one integer value. The next one, memory uses. Daniel, I need end-to-end details. You can just try to delete this and you can just try to print this one. This is seriously amazing. Missing values count. These are all things we'll get actually. This number and this number should be, otherwise let's close the discussion. Don't directly enter into the ML actually. Please, you have to be very good in pandas first. You have to be very good in what, man? If you are good in pandas, then only you will become ML engineer. First point, I didn't directly work on ML engineer in the year of 2019. Yeah, in 2018 I worked as a pandas developer, data engineer actually. What exactly mean? I got that opportunity and I worked actually. Right. So fine. Please make a note on this one. So we done this. These are all. Maybe I hope I no need to specify. Can I specify here? Keynote. After loading the data set. Very good. After loading the data set, apply pandas. Apply what exactly mean? Pandas operations. Tell me df dot head method, then df dot tail method, then df dot shape attribute, not method. Df dot columns actually. The next one df dot. That's it, sir J. That's it. Let's close the discussion. I hope you are good to go, I guess. Even we do have many other things. We no need to call everything actually. Now, yeah, step number 1 we done, step number 2 we done, step number, what is the next step, Sarji? Step number 3. Chapani, step number 3. What is the step number 3? One more time. Alright, step number 3, data preparation. What do you mean by data preparation? X and Y. Tell me, Sarji, X and Y. X and Y means input and output. Input and output should be array format. What format? Input should be column, output should be, trust me, you have to remember this, right? Now, according to the data, what is input, Sarji? Data చూస్తే మీకు ఇన్పుట్ ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? Hours actual. Then what is the next one? What is output? Scores. Then what you can do, you can just try to take this, yep, x equals to same story like yesterday how you done. You can just try to drop what exactly మీరు ఏం డ్రాప్ చేయొచ్చు. From the data frame you can drop scores, then you will get a single column data frame. On top of that, what we need to apply? Values. Very good. Instead of that, let us go for another logic. ఇంకొక లాజిక్ వెళ్దాం చూడండి. df of directly we can access single column కదా. Let's just try to access. What is the column name? Hours. Very good. So seems to be you are able to access. Yeah, see, you are getting a single column data frame. You are getting what exactly mean? Single column data. Let me show you 3 ways. నేను 3 రకాలుగా చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Daniel, are you sure? Are you boss? Listen careful. Yeah, single column data frame. This is the one way. Yesterday, one more scenario I covered actual. One more scenario I covered. What is that scenario? You are dropping scores and you are taking single column data frame. On top of that, you need to apply. Yeah, you know the reason why you are applying dot values. Why? Because I don't want single column. I don't want single column data frame. I need a array, single column array. What array? This is beautiful, man. This is something like you are reshaping the data. Tell me, Sarji. Reshaping. I mean to say you are transforming from data frame to what exactly? Array data. Please understand. Right? Yeah, fine. After this one, what is the next one? Y equals to df of, చెప్పండి Sarji. Scores. That's it. I hope Abhishek also suggested the same thing. I still remember. Good suggestion. Yeah. Hello Daniel. Yeah, tell me. We are ready. Fine then. So in our hand, input is ready, output is ready. Right? Steps from 1 to 3. Steps from what exactly mean? 1 to 3. We are done actually. Can I take this? Steps from 1 to 3. Okay. But in my document, how I have implemented, I hope I have used ILOC, I guess. చూద్దాం చూడండి. Oh, plotting the data. We are plotting. It's okay. దీన్ని ఒకసారి హోల్డ్ పెడదాం చూడండి. Yeah. What a user, Sarji? One more time. ILOC actually. ILOC. Did you remember? Go to the pandas. Yeah, indexers topic. Go to the pandas. Topic name is a data selection. What is the topic name? That data selection we are using in machine learning. In real time, we are using this syntax more and more. ఈ syntax ఎక్కువ యూస్ చేస్తాం, right? And ఇది కూడా నేను ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. Is it important? Up to you, sir. Which one you want, you can choose. Good. Let me highlight. First of all, df dot ILOC. What exactly? ILOC means I means index you need to access. The next one, comma separator. What separator? Left hand side, right hand side. Yeah, very good. You have to remember. Right. So whenever you are trying to accessing like this, if you are trying to accessing like this, you will get a single column data frame. You will get what, Sarji? This one also will get a single column data frame. But I don't want single column data frame. I need single column array. Then dot values you need to apply. What do you need to apply? Dot values. So I know everybody likes this syntax only. This syntax is bond kada. Yeah, even I like it actually. But in real time we are using ILOC. Why? Because performance issue. If you are using ILOC, it's like a super fast Vande Bharat. Do you know Vande Bharat? Like that actually. The next one, this one is a Y. One more point, let me tell you. నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న టిప్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. Listen carefully. After comma, column separator, a kind of some column came. What came actually? What came, sir? No doubt at all, it is a data frame. It is what exactly? Data frame. Next one. After comma separator, only, first of all, no column, then directly number. Directly what mean? Number. Then you will get a series. You will get what? If you do practice only, you will come to know. ఇది మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన నేను ఏమంటున్నానంటే కామా తర్వాత మీకు ఇక్కడ కాలమ్ సింబల్ వచ్చిందంటే ఖచ్చితంగా అది డేటా ఫ్రేమ్. నో డౌట్ ఇన్ దట్. కామా తర్వాత కాలమ్ రాకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా నెంబర్ వచ్చిందంటే యు ఆర్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు యాక్సెసింగ్ ఏ సింగిల్ కాలమ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ సిరీస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వాట్ మ్యాన్? సిరీస్ యాక్చువల్. ఓకే. Online team, how many of you sleeping, sir? No, I'm kidding. Are you following? Mukhtar sir, very nice. Outliers is a separate discussion. I can still explain. Separate discussion, sir. Outlier, missing value. Who didn't started the cinema? Online team, I need a response, please. You are following. Ramya Garu, Mukhtar sir. Satya, Sushma, Sukanya, Gautami. Good. Thank you. Where are we? We done these are all. You guys kindly please walk through, and even can I print Y also? Come on, then let's just try to print X and Y. X and Y in print cheddam chudandi. You need next line. Backward slash also you can apply. Instead of empty print actually. Instead of empty print, backward slash also you can apply. Good. Are you clear, Sachi? Good. So even you this one also possible. Good. I'm sorry. Before data preparation seems to be special step is needed actually. Let's visualize the data. That's what exactly mean. Visualize the data. Come on. I wanted to highlight here. Data visualization. Data what exactly, sir? Visualization. You can just try to make a note on this special step. Data visualization. Okay. Come on. Where are we? So let me plot the data. So to plot the data, I need to call scatter plot. Scatter plot is available in matplotlib actually. Then you have to import the package. Package name is a import matplotlib.pyplot. This one is a main package. This one is a sub package. The total package name we are aliasing. We are doing what, man? Aliasing actually. The next one will be, let me just try to call title X and Y, and you can just apply these are all. Oh, one important point, Sarji. What is the point here, you know? Plot is a function which is coming from matplotlib, but plot is a method which is available in data frame also. Which is available in? This is really good point, you should understand. Next one, X, hours, Y, scores. From this data frame, like a AX, you can access hours column. From this data frame, like a Y, you can access what exactly? Scores column name. Scores actually, right? It is really very good to go. So PLT dot what exactly, sir? Easy, sir. These are all very easy. ఎందుకు రెండు డయాగ్రామ్స్ వచ్చినాయి అంటే then this we have to add at last. I understand. Now we are good to go. Yep. Look at my screen, Sarji, everybody. On x-axis our study, y-axis percentage score we have taken. Sir, the data is traveling from downwards to upwards actually. Then positive relation. What relation? The two data traveling like a line. Not straight line, that's still okay. Somewhat little curve shape actually. Clear, such. Then, yeah, you can create a regression model. You can create what model? A regression model, and you can just to move on. Now let's take this. We covered these. One of the major step I'm going to cover. Please don't miss this step actually. This is important. Online team, please get ready to understand. We done these are all. According to our steps, what is the step number 4? Go. Step number 3, data preparation, X and Y. Quickly, let me just try to write. Chappan search. X and Y. Then what is X value? X equals to df of chapter hours. Can I copy paste? I'm very good in copy paste. Let me copy paste. Dot what exactly mean? Values. y equals to df of scores dot values. Scores dot what man? Values. What is the column name? Ayyo, sorry sir. Let me ask one question. Evaru cheptaru? Madams, meer cheppandi. Imagine here something I have given wrong. What happened? Very good. What error? Here, when you are accessing column name should be match. Otherwise, you will get error. Error name is a here error. Very good. My question is not over actually. Now, step number 4. Step number what exactly? 4 actually. What is the step number 4, Sarji? Splitting the data set. Come on, tell me. మాట్లాడలేకపోతున్నారు. Splitting the data set. Then for this, matplotlib is not required. What is not required? You no need to work with this library set. Good. Get ready to understand. How to split the data set? How to split what exactly mean? Data set. We already spend minimum 40 minutes time searching. There is a topic. Topic name is a train underscore test underscore. Same topic I am going to apply today. Are you ready, sir? So first what we need to do, we need to import a function. Function name is a train underscore test underscore split. One more time. Train underscore test underscore split. Let me just try to import this. Yeah. Once after you have imported, what we need to do, we need to call this function. For this function, you need to pass input and you need to pass what exactly? Output actually. Input we already prepared x. Output also we already prepared y. Oh, very good. Yeah, yes sir. Whenever you are calling this function returns 4 values. Then you have to assign 4 variable. How many variable? First 2 variable belongs to x. Next 2 variable belongs to y. What is the first 2 variable? X underscore train, comma x underscore test. Name should be matched. Daniel, can I give a comma b? Not a good practice. You can give, not a good practice. I mean, can I give a comma b comma c comma d? That is still possible subject, but that is not a good practice. Yeah, according to the standard. If you are still giving like this, you are still beginner actual. So x underscore train, comma x underscore test. The next one, y underscore train, comma y underscore test. Such a great practice actually. We already done this. Okay. Are you ready? Can I print this? What exactly we done? Chepmantara em chesam anedi. Let me draw the diagram. Diagram draw chesam chudandi. Whenever you are calling train test split, actually 2 operations are happening by default. First one is a shuffling, next one is splitting. First one is shuffling, next one splitting. Let me draw the diagram. Oksari hand raise cheyandi. So I'm sorry. Who are all missed this topic? And ee topic evarana miss ayara? Train underscore test underscore split. Evarana miss ayara? Raise your hand. It's okay. One more, 2. 4 members. Any other? Online tip? You remind me, I will share recorded session. Endukante adi important, sir. So adi chala important, right? So it's okay. So if you are missing, that's still okay. No worries. Let me draw the diagram. I can request admin to share that day specific recorded session. Adi ee roju cheppandi aa topic, then I can help you. Come on, Saji. This one is x-axis. This one is what, Saji? Y-axis. On x-axis, what I have taken, sir? Endi istunnaro cheptara? Hours. Okay. Hours of study. Oh, not house, Daniel. On y-axis, what I have taken? Score. Good. Man, whenever you are applying that, automatically 30-70 ratio. What ratio, Sarji? 30-70 ratio. Very good. So this x is divided into x train and what exactly mean? X test. First portion should be x train. The next portion should be x test. Yeah, we are good to go, sir. Same story. What is the next one? Tell me. Y train, y. Can I tell you? Neen meeku oka point cheppamantara. The diagram what I am going to draw, you never ever find. You never ever find actual. Daniel, are you boasting? No, sir. I need to tell sometimes where I am good actually. Y train. This is Y train. The next one is Chapan Sarji. Y test actually. Kada? This is Y test. Yeah, exactly. Are you ready, sir? Right? Now, so from here to here, training data set. What data set actually? Train data set actually. What data set, sir? Training data set. And yeah, so we are good to go. This diagram is important. Hold on. Given a covers that cheddam. Yeah, good. Now let me. Do you want it to see actually? You can just try to print X comma Y. First we are printing X comma Y. Then let me just try to print X train X test. Chappan Saji? X train X test. One more time. X train X test. Same story. I need to print for what? Guys, X train 70%, X test 30%, Y train 70%, Y test. We are good to go. Did you understand, sir? Can I continue? Good. Now, after the splitting, did you apply that random underscore state? Oh, random underscore state also applied. First time shuffling, next time onwards, no shuffling. State equals to 42, anything you can give. Mostly in real time, 52 is to give. This number can be any number such, right? Now, everybody look at my screen. Let me run the score actually. Let me run. First time shuffling is going to happen. Last value 41, 27 and here also 3.0. Remember that. Run one more time. I still remember 41, 27 and here 3.0. Run one more time. Yes. Only first time shuffling, next time onwards, remaining data same. Remaining data what, Saji? Indirectly you are stopping, shuffling these are all things. That's still okay. Can I copy paste this? Yeah. I mean to say. Can everybody read these steps actually? Sir, okay, 1 minute. Come on, let us read these are all steps. Each step source and student. Come on. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set. We are good to go. Nice. Thank you. Steps from 1 to sometimes this is really good practice. Once you done the practice, take example and try to raise errors. Try to raise what, man? ఇది మీరు ఎలా మాట్లాడుతున్నారంటే imagine when you are working, a beginner may face this issue. Beginner, unfortunately, he missed. Instead of pandas, he is importing tandas actual. I'm sorry, he is importing what, man? Tandas actual. What error? Exactly. That you should know. మీకు ముందే తెలవాలి అది. Module not found error. I'm sorry. Then by default, you already aware, so something is missing. What actually? P. Pandas we have to import actually. Either there are two solutions again. Either it might not install. You need to cross verify. You need to what exactly, man? Cross verify. How to check actually either it is installed or not? Pip list. What exactly, man? ఇలా మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి ఆటోమేటిక్గా. ఇక్కడ pandas అయితే ఉండాలి. If pandas is existing here, then I'm sure here is a spell mistake. Maybe a lot of libraries I do have in my laptop. It is crying. Next one, file not found error. Next one, key error, attribute error. Pandas ekadun sir? Here we do have actual. Right? Pandas we already installed. Pandas what exactly mean? Already installed up to date library actually. Okay, very good. You should know. Please raise errors yourself and you can just have to fix how to know how you can actually. Okay? Good. Where are we? Let's continue. Next step is important, sir. Model creation. What is the next step? Why red color? Oh, chala రోజులైంది కదా అడిగి. Why red color? ఇవ్వడే. Data science is very easy, sir. If you are coming to the session regularly, Step number 5. What is the step number 5? Model. Model equals to linear regression. Linear regression is a predefined class. Linear regression is what exactly, sir? Predefined class. This is the predefined class which is available inside sklearn. What exactly? Linear model, right? If you want, I wanted to check this class is really available instead of this one or not. How to check? Very good. What exactly? DAR. Did you cover that? Cover chesana? Yeah, good. Even this one also, I wanted to check instead of this one. I wanted to check either it is available instead of this one or not actually. How to check? DIR on. What exactly mean? You can check like that. Everything you have to check actually. Then you will come to know. Okay. Model, yeah. Model training also. No. Boys, చెప్పండి. What is the sixth step? Model training. Tell me, sir. Model training. Train the model actually. This is quite interesting. Hold on. Model what exactly? Training. Let me highlight here. Model training. Data. May having splitting. First one, let me talk about no splitting. Nee split cheyaledu. I didn't apply splitting. Next one, I applied what exactly mean? Splitting. Fine. If you didn't apply splitting, get ready. Model dot fit of. Here you need to pass x comma y. What we need to pass? X comma y. But if you split the data, first of all, hold on. Why no splitting? Small data. What, Saji? Small data. I have a small scale data only. Go back to my father example. Think like my father bought 100 images, then splitting puzzle. Think like my father bought 2 images. One dog, one cat actually. Splitting possible? No. Where there is a small data, splitting is not possible. Let us make it optional. That's still okay, right? Sir, why is splitting possible actually? Why? Because I would like to tell large data. Tell me, Saji. One more time. Now, Daniel, model training. Can I talk here actually? Splitting. First splitting గురించి మాట్లాడదాం. Data splitting. Okay. Next model training గురించి మాట్లాడదాం. Good. Now, let us go for data. No splitting. If no splitting, what we need to do, Saji, model dot fit method, model dot what exactly fit method. Here you can pass x comma y. If there is a splitting, Chapan Saji, if there is a what exactly splitting, here model dot fit of not x comma y. For x train you need to pass. According to the diagram, this one you need to pass. X train. Tell me, Saji. X train. Okay, X train. The next one. For the Y train we need to pass. What we need to pass? Y train we need to pass. This one is absolutely valid actual. Sorry, man. No, Daniel. I will pass like this. I will pass what exactly like this. I will pass first one will be X train. The next one will be X test. Sir, invalid. No, Daniel, I will pass like this. First one I will pass x underscore test. The next one I will pass x underscore what exactly? Train actual. Invalid actual. So all other scenarios are invalid. No doubt in that. Only this scenario is valid actual. Simple, you can remember. Can I ask you one question? When you are calling fit method, what is happening? Model is being getting training. Model is being getting. Look at the variable where train word is available. Look at the variable where train word is available. Yeah, here also it is available and here also it is available. Capture only those variables. That's it. Close the discussion. Are you with me or not, sir? Right? And even look at the diagram. This one you need to pass. Ippudu raimantaru ikkada. So model dot fit off and here what we need to pass? X underscore train. Can I tell you most confusing step? You cannot believe. Idi chala confusion. If you don't know exactly the pattern actually. But if you really understand, this is very easy. So the point will be fit method takes if no splitting x comma y. Tell me, if no splitting x comma y. If there is a splitting x train y train. Madam, one more time. X train. That's it. You can close the discussion. Okay. Model dot fit of. Chapan Sarji x underscore train. The next one will be next one y underscore train. Online team, my voice is clear, I guess. Sushma Garu, thank you. maybe train underscore test underscore split. I hope I have covered on 23rd, I guess actually. Thank you for reminding the date. I will help you with the recorded session. Let me tell you, on first, I don't know, Naresh it will give holiday or not. On first, I may leave Sachi. I may leave. I should tell also. I should be in touch with my whole family every year first date actually. Why? Because I prepared my schedule. So I need God's blessing actually. 2025 I trained many students and I'm sure. So everyone really gain good subject actually at the same time. 2026 also I do have a nice plans. So ensure that first I mean leave. I mean, what Saji? Leave. I never change again. We have a session again on Friday and what exactly Saturday. I'm not sure Naresh Shetty will give holiday or not. Maybe Euro. Not else. Last year they didn't give any. Good Saji. So we done these are all. Steps from Chappan Saji. Steps from 1 to 1 to 6 actually. I'm sorry. No. Steps from 1 to 6. We are good to go. Nice. More to the discussion. After training, can you tell me? Prediction. What exactly, sir? Prediction. Good. Hold on. Everybody please make a note actually. Look at the data set. Data set web చూడండి ఒకసారి. X train, Y train. We need to use for a training purpose. What purpose, sir? What purpose? Right. Now to do the prediction, to do what exactly prediction, we can use single value. Model dot predict of. You can pass single value. 3 hours or 4 hours, 5 hours. But I wanted to pass bunch of values. I wanted to pass what, man? Bunch of values. Then you have to use X test data set. What data set? X test you have to use for prediction. You have to use for what, man? And Y X train and Y train we have to use for training. What exactly, sir? Training. Model training purpose. This one is model testing purpose actually. I mean to say. Now please make a note on this one. Model dot predict of. What exactly, sir? Predict of. Here we need to pass X underscore test. What we need to pass? X underscore test. This is seriously super. You got a nice clarity, I guess. Can I tell you? Good. Just to look at the diagram. Go back to my father example. What example? My father example. My father have a concern. What is the problem statement? He wanted to train his son to recognize cat or dog actually. Then he went to shop and he bought 100 images. Then what is the first operation? Shuffling. Next operation? Exactly. I mean to say, from here to here, 70 images, sir. Ikkadi nunchi ikkadiki 70 images. How many images? My father is explaining, here all ears, a tail, eyes, sound, these are all. Then my father is telling, if ears, tail, sound, then this is the dog. If it is like this, then this is the cat. If it is like this, then this is the cat. This is totally training area. What area? Training area. Once after training is done, what is the next one? Testing. My father split it 30 images. Did you remember? Then that 30 images, my father is showing image and he is asking, tell me the output actual. I mean to say, X test we need to use for prediction. X test we need to use for what, man? Imagine here if I am telling that this is the cat actually. Imagine all features my father is telling. So I replied like this one is a dog. This one is what exactly, I'm sorry. This one is what exactly, sir, dog. Either this is really dog or not, we need to map with validate actually by using output. By using what exactly, man? Y test actually. Y test is for validation purpose. What purpose? Validation purpose. X test is for prediction purpose. X train, Y train for training purpose. Model training. This point is really important. Let me validate. In multi-user rasan chudam. Okay. Can I highlight this step? This step na highlight cheyamantara. Important. Don't worry. I'm writing. Here 4 variables. Let me write according to the order. X underscore train. The next one, what exactly mean? Y underscore train. The next one. What is the next one, Sarji? X underscore test. What is the next one? Y underscore test. Y underscore what exactly? Test actually. Right. So look at this one. Daniel, first two variable for a training purpose. Right. Model training purpose. For model training. For model training. The next one. X test is for what exactly, no, Sarji? For model testing. For what exactly, sir? For model testing. Model testing. It is also called as a prediction purpose. What purpose, man? Tell me. Prediction purpose. Prediction purpose. The next one. What is the pending one? Tell me. Y test actually. Why Y test, you know, Sarji? Yeah, for validation purpose. For validation purpose. This we can highlight later actually. Y underscore test. Y underscore what exactly mean? Test. Repeating again. This is important. During interview, ఖచ్చితంగా అడుగుతారు మిమ్మల్ని. First of all, they will ask about the order. Whenever you are calling this function, what is order? 10:30. What is our time? 10:30 answer. Whenever you are calling this function, what is order? X train, X test. Y train, Y test. Now it's a right time. You need to explain separately the variable purpose. X train, Y train, you are using for model training. You are using for model. The next one. X test you are using for prediction. You know, so Y test you are using for. Very good. You are able to understand, I guess, actually. Daniel, what do you mean by model training? Simple, na? You know, you have to call like this, actually. Chapane. Y underscore train. That's it. That's it. Then for testing, model dot predict of. Directly you can pass what exactly, sir? X test, actually. X test, actually. దీని గురించి తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం. దీన్ని మనం ఎక్కడ వాడతాం అనేది తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ లైక్ దిస్ యాక్చువల్. రైట్? ప్రిడిక్ట్ మెథడ్ ఆల్వేస్ టేక్స్ ఎక్స్ టెస్ట్. ఆల్వేస్ టేక్స్ వాట్ మెన్? One more time. Daniel, can I give Y test actually? I'm sorry. If you are giving Y test, senior will look at your face actually. Are you with me? వాళ్ళకి అర్థం అవుతుంది మీకు ఎంఎల్ ఐడియా లేదని. You should not pass like that. Now it's a right time for prediction. It's a right time for what, Sajay? Next 2 months, sir. Next 2 months actually. Let's move on. Less time only, but listen the session first of all. You know, these kind of questions you can ask end of this session actually. Okay. I'm sorry. Let's move on. Where are we? We done these are all. Fit method we called actually. The next one. Oh, sir. Intercept and what exactly? Coefficient actually. Can I just try to capture intercept and coefficients? We can capture. So print off. Special step. You know, so I can just try to access coefficient and what exactly, sir? Intercept. Print off. No, it's okay. Move on, please. Can somebody help me? Special attribute I need to call. What attribute, Sachin? Special attribute. So, where is the coefficient? Oh, first I'm capturing intercept and next I'm capturing coefficient. That's still okay. I need your help, Sarji. Here, what exactly? Model dot. Otherwise, still I can still apply here. నేను ఇక్కడ కూడా apply చేయొచ్చు కదా. You can just try to pass here. The next one, coefficient also let me capture. Model. Daniel, what happened? No, nothing happened. You can just try to capture this and here you can just print it. Yes, please. Let me just try to run this code actually. You know the reason. Why coefficient and what exactly? Intercept actually. Good. So coefficient value and what exactly mean? Intercept value. This we can apply for y equals to what exactly mean? Did you remember? Yeah. Good, sir. You can just try to take this. This is so called as a you are just trying to accessing capture coefficient and what exactly mean? Intercept. The next one will be It's a right time to do the prediction. Can I do that? Yes, important information. This we can talk later. Then గురించి తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం. It's a right time I need to do the prediction. To do the prediction, you need to use one variable. Which variable, Sarji? Which one I need to use? X test. One more time. X test we need to use. Exactly, I'm using the X test actually. X test. Now the prediction value, whatever you're doing, that is so called as a Y predicted value. What value mean? Y predicted value. Let me just try to check this one. Step number 7, which is so called as a prediction. Right. Model dot predict of, and here you need to pass, and X underscore what exactly is a test. Why I am highlighting these many number of times, during interview definitely they will ask. For predict method, what parameter value you need to pass. Here you should not tell X train. You should not tell Y train. You should not tell Y test actually. Only one value. What is that? X test. That's it. That's it. Right? Now let me tell you Y underscore predict. So Y underscore what exactly? Predict. This is so called as a Y actual value. This is so called as a prediction value. This is so called as a actual output. This is so called as a prediction output. All right, sir. Let me just try to print X test. X test ni print chestan chudandi. For all this X test value, we done the prediction. Tell me, sir. Yeah, Y prediction. This example I request you do many number of times practice. You will get an idea. You practice cheyandi meeku ardham avutundi. Oh, nice. Good man. Yeah. From step number 1 to 7. Imagine there is a one student, 5.5 hours he used to study. Then how much score he is going to get? One more time. We'll do one. Open cheddam. What is that one? 5.5, right? Open the data set. Data set open cheddam chudandi. Array. Where is the data set, sir? Coding folder. Where 5.5 చెప్పండి. ఇందులో 5.5 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 5.5. Here it is. Anywhere? ఇంకెక్కడ ఉందా? No. 5.5. Yes. For 5.5, what is the score actually? చెప్పండి. 56. But what is the actual score? 60. Oh, very nice. 56.8. Think like almost 57. What exactly mean? 57. But what is the actual score? That is so called as error. Error enta? 3. What error, sir? Yeah. Did you remember maths actually? Right? Residual. What exactly mean? The difference between actual value and prediction value is called as a residual. That's what you need to be understand. You need to spend some time. And one more point. ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఆఫ్టర్ 5.5, what is the next value? చెప్పండి one more time. Cross verify. But here after 5.5, 2.7 is not there. Why? Very good, sir. Data shuffled actually. Data what exactly happened? These are all points you have to map actually. Repeating again, whenever you are calling this function, here what happens, sir? First one is shuffling. First one is what mean? Shuffled actually. Data shuffled. Though data shuffled here, 5.5, 2.7, 6.1, 1.1. Don't expect the same order in the data set. Same order in what, Sarji? Please understand. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే అర్థమవుతుంది సార్. రైట్. Let's take this one. Steps from 1 to 7. Steps from 1 to what exactly? Today we focused more on train underscore test underscore split. Where we focused, sir? Train underscore test underscore split actually. Why prediction is a numpy array, blah blah blah. This we'll see later. I wanted to compare actually. If you want to compare also you can do. This we'll talk later, Sachi. We have a separate discussion evaluating algorithm, but previously I skipped something. What is that? Yeah, this is actually good. Go back here. Can you tell me what it is? Coefficient. Previous one is intercept. Previous one is what exactly meant? Intercept actually. What is the meaning of this coefficient, Sachi? So let me tell you. Let us read the content. This means that for every 1 unit of change in our study, the change in the score is what exactly, sir? 9.91. Imagine there is a one student. He is planning to increase 1 hour unit, 1 hour actually. Then he may get extra this much score. Extra what exactly, sir? This much score actually. This is something like meeku oka chinna point cheppantara. As one student, he is studying for 1 hour and he is getting something like a 9. Just a simple. S2 student, 2 hours, he is getting something like 18. S3 student. Now we are doing prediction. We are doing what exactly mean? Prediction actually. We are doing prediction. Prediction for what? 3. Then what is the previous score? Tell me. Previous student score answer 18. 18 plus 18 what exactly plus go for the coefficient value and 9.91. This one is a prediction value, right? Definitely there should be some error actual. That's what you need to be understand. Are you increasing 1 unit actually from 2 to 3? What exactly happened? 1 unit increased. What increased, sir? Then automatically previous score plus coefficient value. Previous score plus what value? That's what you need to be understand. Right here, good information, kind update. This is so called as a 1 unit. Then prediction is previous value plus coefficient value. That's what you need to be understand. What is the previous value? 18. Chapter sir plus 9.91. That's what you need to be understand. We are good to go. Sir, we done this one. And hold on. There is a lot of, not lot of, 2 to 3 examples I skip actually. Enduk skip chesana meeku reason cheptanu. Can you read the topic name? Evaluating algorithm. One more time. Evaluating algorithm. Model evaluation. Also called as a, this is also called as a model evaluation. This is upcoming topic. Daniel Venn. After cost function topic. What topic, Sarji? Cost function ano oka topic untundi. Let me open. First of all here chudandi. Evaluation metrics. Can you tell me mean absolute error? Next one, mean squared error. Next one, root mean squared error. Go back to the machine learning material. Can somebody help me? Regression cost function ekkado okati untadi. Yeah, here it is. Regression cost function. Yeah. Can you read the topic name? Mean squared error. Next one, root mean squared error. Next one, there is interdependency topic. If you understand cost function, then you will understand. Then you will win this topic. Probably this week only. Ee week lone cover chestanu. Are you clear, Sachin? Kindly please follow my sequence. So don't worry about the order. 10:41. I may help you with the small recap. There is one assignment for you. For you actually. Let me just try to open the data set. నేను data set open చేస్తాను direct గా. I already implemented the code. Let's open the data set. Assignment. Now this, okay, let's close this. Please understand. Oh, very nice. What exactly I done, Sarji? I have taken a data set and first column is a year of experience, simple experience. What is the next column? Salary. 1.1 year of experience, 39,000. 1.3 years of experience, 46,000. 1.5 years of experience, 37, right? Now we need to create a simple linear regression. Then at last, we have a lot of data. Then you can apply splitting. You can apply what, man? Now, what is a prediction? Salary prediction. What value you need to provide? Experience value we need to provide. Am I right or not, sir? Right? So this you already implemented actually. I will share the PDF and data set. That's it. Let's close today's session. Daniel, what is a tomorrow? Multiple linear regression, just 30 minutes. Multiple linear regression, just 30 minutes actually. Open the material. We done multiple linear regression, 30 minutes. After this one, yes, sir, such a beautiful topic. Topic name is a pickling and unpickling. What is the topic name? One more time. Don't miss tomorrow's session. What you are thinking, first you don't miss actually. What happened to my calendar? Sir, tomorrow 31st we have a session. I'm announcing one more time. This diagram is important. Can I include one more variable here? Okay. All right. So for validation purpose, we need to use y prediction and y test actual. Okay. So let me just try to take this diagram. Remind me this diagram. Machine learning is, I'm sorry for saying, it's not like a Python and pandas. You have to do multiple times practice actually. Splitting the data set. Go back to the images and 9 a.m. What is the date, Sarji? 30th actually. Okay. Okay. So I can make it. This one is